me and my mate are really bored because it's raining outside, so we decided we're going to shoot my brother with Michael V gun. He's nice and asleep. He's got to sleep in this one.
Yep. Yeah, that's fine.
And that was me shooting my brother. Bye!